everyone, this is Jim from Bricks Minifigs in Wheaton. Hey guys, while you guys are at home, I thought I'd address one of our more frequently asked questions, something you guys can all do at home. How do you bring life back to your Legos? Maybe you've been playing with your Legos, maybe they're a little dirty, maybe they've been to infinity and beyond as you've been building things, but we're gonna teach you real quick how to clean those up and make them shiny and new. So all you'll need is used Legos, hot water. For us here, we like to use a little bit of OxyClean. You can just get this from the dollar store. Strainer baskets, also from the dollar store, and your everyday average toothbrush. You can either use an old one or just one from the dollar store. It doesn't really matter as long as it can scrub. So all you got to do, take a little bit of OxyClean here, and we're just going to put, for this size container, I don't know, half scoop or so. Give it a little mix. Take your Legos into here. And you're going to want to mix these around nice and good for at least a minute, but the more the merrier. If you need to, go ahead, get your Legos, get your little toothbrush. If you got any stubborn dirt on there, give them a little scrub. When you're all done, you put them in your strainer basket here. Give them a little rinse with the faucet to get the residue from the OxyClean off. And you can dry them either in the strainer basket, kind of moving them around periodically, or just spread them out on a towel or a paper towel. No matter what though, you do want to get these nice and dry before you go ahead and play with them again. So that is how we clean our Legos here at the store, and it makes them nice and shiny and new for you guys at home as well. So that's all for now, guys. As always, keep on building.